In this video, I'm going to show how to rate the stars of an online level Geometry Dash. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but it's the same process on any phone, okay? What you need to do is click right here on this button, okay, on the third option. You will come to this page and you will see create, save the scores, and so on. Click on this option right here, search. You will come to this page. Then you need to find the level that you want to rate, okay? In my case, I will put most downloaded just for example, and I will select the first option, but you need to find the level that you want to rate. So click with view right here, or get it, okay, to get the level, and it will come to this page. You will see 5 options right here. You need to click in the 5th option. Okay, so right here on the 5th option, then you put like arts like. I will put like, then you rate it an online level on Geometry Dash, okay? You can also make this process with any level that you want. I hope I helped you how to rate the stars of an online level on Geometry Dash. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.